Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're a parent looking for a gift that's equal parts creative, engaging, and actually fun to use, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my honest take on the Me Headband Making Kit, a cute, colorful craft set that promises to turn any little girl into her own fashion designer. Priced at just $13, it's an affordable option, but as moms, we know that cheap doesn't always mean valuable. Sometimes, these kits are more about the glitter than the substance. But this one caught my eye not just for its looks, but for what it could really offer a child in terms of play, expression, and even quiet focus. I tried it out with my daughter and her cousins, and what happened next surprised me, not just the creations they made, but the confidence and conversations that bloomed while making them. Let me tell you how it all went. When I first came across the Me Headband Making Kit, I'll admit, I was a little skeptical. As a mom, I've seen my fair share of craft kits that promise hours of fun, but end up collecting dust after 20 minutes. But this one, it genuinely surprised me. I bought it as a birthday gift for my 7-year-old niece, and from the moment she opened it, she was completely enchanted. The box is cute, colorful, and instantly grabs a kid's attention. Inside, there's so much to explore: soft fabric headbands, glittery gems, sparkly flowers, fuzzy pom-poms, and all kinds of charming little embellishments. It's like stepping into a mini fashion designer studio. What I love most is how open-ended the creativity is. There are no strict rules, no complicated instructions, just endless possibilities. She spent over 2 hours on the first day making headbands for everyone in the family, even giving them names like Princess Sparkle and Rainbow Queen. It's not just a craft, it's an imagination workout, and it kept her engaged in the best way possible. One of the things I really appreciate is how accessible this kit is for younger kids. My niece just turned 7, and she was able to use everything without needing much help from an adult. The headbands are made from a soft, stretchy material that's comfortable to wear and easy to decorate. The adhesive tabs included make it simple to stick on decorations without the mess of liquid glue. Though, I will be honest, we did end up using a bit of extra craft glue from our own stash because the sticky tabs didn't always hold as strongly as we'd hoped. Still, the overall design is very kid-friendly. The pieces are large enough for small hands to handle, and there's a great variety so kids don't get bored. Whether they're into glitter, animals, or florals, there's something here to match every personality. I love that it encourages independence. My niece felt so proud showing off her creations, and she kept asking if she could make more the next day. From a practical standpoint, this kit is perfect for rainy days, weekend boredom, or even as a fun activity during a play date. I hosted my daughter and 3 of her friends last weekend, and I brought out the headband kit when screen time needed a break. Within minutes, it turned into a full-on fashion show. The girls were not only making headbands, but also styling their outfits, practicing poses, and even naming their collections. It was adorable, and honestly, so much better than watching them scroll through tablets. The kit comes with enough materials that multiple kids can share without too much squabbling, which, as a mom, I truly appreciate. There's a good quantity of accessories, and while you could probably make a dozen or more unique headbands, the kids might want to keep redesigning them instead of using everything at once. That actually makes it last longer, since they can take apart and reinvent their designs. Now, let's talk about the fun factor, because this thing is a joy machine. The moment my niece started picking out colors and combinations, her confidence just lit up. She'd hold up a headband and ask, "Do you think this looks like something a pop star would wear? Or would this match my pink dress?" It sparked so many sweet conversations and gave us a chance to bond over something creative. As a parent, that's priceless. I've bought plenty of toys and gifts over the years, but the ones that create shared moments are the ones I value most. This isn't just about making headbands, it's about storytelling, self-expression, and feeling proud of what you've made with your own hands. Even my 10-year-old niece, who usually acts too cool for little kid crafts, leaned over and asked if she could try making one. That's how universally appealing it is. Of course, no product is perfect, and I want to be honest about a few things. The biggest issue we ran into was with the adhesive. The glue dots and tabs included are convenient for avoiding mess, but they don't always create a strong enough bond. Some of the heavier gems or layered decorations popped off after wearing for a few minutes. We ended up supplementing with a bit of extra glue, which worked fine, but it's worth knowing if you're expecting everything to stay put right out of the box. Also, while there are lots of cute decorations, a few of them are quite similar, especially the flowers, so there is some repetition in the pieces. It doesn't ruin the fun, but if your child is really detail oriented or wants maximum variety, they might wish for more unique options. Still, for the price, it's hard to complain too much. Another thing I want to highlight is the educational aspect hiding beneath the sparkle. While the kids think they're just having fun, they're actually working on fine motor skills, color coordination, pattern recognition, and decision making. Choosing which decorations go together, arranging them in a pleasing way, and sticking them on carefully. All of that builds important developmental skills. I noticed my niece taking her time, planning her designs, and even pausing to critique her work, saying things like, "This side needs more glitter," or "I think this one's too busy." That kind of thoughtful expression is fantastic for a young mind. And because it's low pressure and play based, they don't feel like they're learning, they're just creating. That's the magic of a good craft kit. At $13, I think this is a great value for a gift that delivers both entertainment and creativity. It's not the most high end craft set out there, but it does exactly what it promises. It lets kids design their own cute, wearable accessories in a fun, easy way. I'd absolutely recommend it for birthdays, holidays, or even as a surprise, just because gift for any girl between 5 and 12. It's especially great if you're looking for something screen-free that still feels exciting. Would I buy it again? Yes. Maybe even keep one for my own daughter's next sleepover. It's the kind of activity that brings kids together, sparks joy, and results in handmade treasures they'll actually wear. And honestly, as a mom, seeing that pride in their faces when they show off their creations, that's worth way more than $13. If you're ready to spark your child's creativity and see their imagination shine, the Pretty Me Headband Kit is a sweet little gateway. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more mom-tested picks that make playtime magical. Because every little creator deserves their moment in the spotlight.